Is Dropbox using too much CPU and making your computer feel slow? This can happen while Dropbox is syncing lots of files, indexing changes, or dealing with an application issue. In this guide, I'll show you several practical ways to reduce Dropbox CPU usage. First, check what Dropbox is actually doing. Open the Dropbox menu from the taskbar or menu bar and look at the current sync status. If it's uploading or downloading a large number of files, higher CPU usage may be temporary. Give the sync process some time to finish. Next, confirm that Dropbox is the process using your CPU. On Windows, open Task Manager and sort the processes by CPU usage. On Mac, use Activity Monitor. Look for Dropbox and compare its CPU usage with other applications. If Dropbox is actively syncing a large folder, temporarily pause syncing and see whether CPU usage drops. Open the Dropbox menu and use the available pause option. If CPU usage falls immediately, the sync workload is probably contributing to the problem. Now review the folders Dropbox is syncing. Large collections of photos, videos, project files, or frequently changing folders can create a lot of background activity. Consider whether every folder needs to be synced locally and adjust your sync settings when appropriate. On supported Dropbox desktop setups, online-only files can reduce the amount of content stored locally. This can be useful for large files you don't regularly need on your computer. Keeping only the files you actively use offline can also reduce background workload. If CPU usage stays high even when Dropbox isn't syncing much, restart the application. Quit Dropbox completely, wait a few seconds, and launch it again. This can clear a temporary process that has become stuck or unusually active. Finally, check whether you're using the latest version of Dropbox. Updates can include performance and compatibility improvements. If you're already running the latest version and the problem continues, reinstalling the official desktop application can be another troubleshooting step. And that's how to reduce high Dropbox CPU usage. Check what Dropbox is syncing, confirm the CPU usage, pause heavy activity, review your synced folders, use online-only files when appropriate, and restart or update the app. So give each step a try and monitor CPU usage as you go.